You might be wondering what I'm doing. I'm just looking at my skin. My skin now have this amazing glow to it, and this is because I have been using this moisturizer on my skin. This moisturizer that is helping to boost collagen and elastin in my skin. No wrinkles, no fine lines. Oh my goodness. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now earlier today I was watching some videos. The video was all explaining about coffee. What it was saying is that coffee is good for us. It's give us good health and it's also give us a longer life. Now it also stated that we're actually consuming coffee the wrong way because of what we're mixing it with. However guys, guess what? One thing I noticed about the ad is that they forget one important thing, and that is that coffee will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Caffeine will help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Coffee is good internally and is also good topically on the skin. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how to make an anti-aging moisturizer using coffee. A moisturizer that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E. A moisturizer that is good for most skin type. A moisturizer that you can use to reduce forehead wrinkles, deep laugh lines, get rid of sagging jawline, and also get rid of wrinkle on the neck. This moisturizer is also good for using to get rid of wrinkles. And so if you're interested in seeing how I use coffee to make an anti-aging moisturizer, now follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to whip it up, and I'm also going to give you some tips and how to use it on your skin for best result. Before I jump in the kitchen, in case you are new to my channel, our website alexmaxi.com, which is the home of the Khichi Beauty skincare products, is up and running. And alexmaxi.com, you're going to find a wide variety of our brand Khichi Beauty skincare. We have collagen cream, we have retinol cream, we have oils, we have an oil collection, we have hydrating cream, we have wrinkle fighting cream, we have just a wide variety of products that you can use on the skin. So why not try some Khichi Beauty skincare? You can find Khichi Beauty skincare right here at alexmaxi.com. Now, two of the oils that we're going to use today are from the Khichi Beauty collection. Khichi Beauty have an oil collection contain 10 different oils that are good for topically use on the skin. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Our first ingredient is going to be coffee, and we are going to brew the coffee. And here I already have some freshly brewed coffee. My next ingredient is going to be powdered milk, also known as milk powder, which is rich in lactic acid. I'm also going to be using some cornstarch, which help to get rid of excess oil from the skin. I'm using some rose water, which help to balance the natural pH level of the skin. My next ingredient is going to be apricot oil, and I'm using the Khichi Beauty apricot oil. We're also going to be using some aloe vera oil, and I'm also using the Khichi Beauty aloe vera oil. You're also going to need a blender for this recipe. So to begin, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for the freshly brewed coffee, and I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the freshly brewed coffee. 2 tablespoons of the freshly brewed coffee. Next, I'm going to reach for the rose water, and I'm going to use a tablespoon of the rose water. I'm going to reach for the powdered milk. If you do not have powdered milk, you can choose to use regular milk in this recipe. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the powdered milk, adding that to the blender. Next, I'm reaching for the cornstarch, and I'm using 1 rounded teaspoon of the cornstarch, adding that to the blender. And then I'm going to reach for our oils. For the aloe vera oil, I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. Pour this in, 1 teaspoon aloe vera oil. Next, I'm going to reach for the apricot oil, and I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of the apricot oil. So 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera oil and 1 teaspoon of the apricot oil. And now we're going to cover and we're going to blend. And blend. Now after blending, let's pour this in a small container. Take a look. Here we have our coffee moisturizer, a moisturizer that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, firm the skin, hydrates the skin, get rid of the deep parentheses, get rid of sagging skin. And now let's pour this in our storage jar. And take a look. Here we have our coffee moisturizer, a moisturizer that you can use on the skin to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates the skin. And now here it is, our coffee moisturizer, a moisturizer that is going to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, hydrates the skin, get rid of sagging skin, lift, tighten, and firm the skin, while boosting collagen and elastin in the skin. Go ahead and use this AM and PM on the skin, store it in the refrigerator, and use it up within 7 days. So there you have it, guys. You take this moisturizer and you apply it on the skin. Go ahead, massage the moisturizer on your forehead. Go ahead and go right under the eyes with this moisturizer. Go ahead and place the moisturizer in your laugh line and massage those areas. Massage, massage, massage. Use the moisturizer AM and PM for best result. And don't forget, the moisturizer is also good for wrinkles and. Thank you all for watching. Store it in the refrigerator, and when it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, visit our shop, alexmaxi.com, home of the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Why not try some Khichi Beauty oils on your skin today? Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.